Welcome to North Augusta, y'all. When you're here, make sure to hop on the trail on the beautiful North Augusta Greenway, take in a minor league baseball game to watch the Green Jackets, and of course go to the Snowcap Drive-In for a burger and a chocolate dip cone. Or you can go where I'm headed today, which is the North Augusta Living History Park. You ready? Let's go for it. All right, y'all, this is Lynn Thompson here with the Living History Park. Lynn, why don't you tell me a little bit about this place and what you guys do here?
Well, this is a Living History Park, and we portray 1735 to 1785. And it's a lot of fun, and we're here to teach young people to love history.
That is so great. Well, you know, I love what you're wearing. I feel like we are in the Living History Park today, so maybe I should blend in a little bit more.
You really don't look right.
Do you think you can help me out with that?
I've got it.
All right.
If you're willing to play.
Be right back. All right. So what do you think? Do I look the part?
You look great. I got to get you to work now.
Oh, we do have to get to work. So that's awesome. What do you guys do here at Living History Park?
All kind of things. We bake bread. We have a grist mill. We have a cabinet maker. We have guns. We've got a potter going up here. We've got a sweet shop, a gunsmith back here. So we've got a lot of things for you to see and a lot to pick from to do.
So are these people here all year round, or?
No, we have 3 major events a year, and they're here from, we had Education Days on Friday, and then on Saturday and Sunday the park's open to the public, and it's free.
Oh.
It's free, but they come in, they're from all over. So, but during the week you can come down any week and walk around the park unless it's closed for a private event, and then you can check our website, colonialtimes.us, and find out when the park's closed. But the rest of the time you come around, walk around. None of the buildings will be open, but you can get a feel of what it's like.
Yeah, and this park is beautiful.
It really
is. Awesome. So, you think we could go try a few things from the interpreters?
Sure.
Awesome. All right.
You're dressed the part, you might as well do it.
I mean, why not? Let's go for it. Well, y'all, I came, I dressed up, I did calligraphy, I made furniture, and I had a whole lot of fun doing it. Stepping back in time is always an adventure, and there are so many ways to do it in South Carolina. So the next time you want to try something new or old, just go for it.